Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of software development and innovation. I'm your host, and today we're exploring the capabilities of GitHub Copilot and how it's revolutionizing coding for developers at all levels. So, let's start with the backbone of our discussion. What exactly is GitHub Copilot? Just imagine having a coding partner who's always ready to lend a hand, suggesting code snippets as you type. This AI-powered tool acts like a co-pilot to assist in writing code faster and potentially more efficiently. Pretty nifty, right? I think it's important to highlight the range of features GitHub Copilot offers. For instance, it can help identify and fix vulnerabilities in your code. This is a game changer. It's like having a built-in security expert reviewing your work, which gives developers peace of mind, especially when working on open-source projects. And speaking of open source, let's not forget about GitHub Sponsors, an initiative that allows developers to get funded for their amazing contributions to the community. Now, one aspect that caught my attention is the automation of workflows through GitHub Actions. It's powerful. By automating various processes, developers can truly focus on what's important, writing great code and innovating. It's like having a personal assistant take care of all the mundane tasks, freeing up your time to be more creative. Let's also touch on a couple of interesting features that many might overlook, like GitHub Discussions. It allows teams to collaborate and share ideas outside of the traditional code review process. Imagine brainstorming with your team in a more relaxed environment, bouncing ideas around without the constraints of formal code reviews. Doesn't that sound more enjoyable? And speaking of collaboration, GitHub also offers something called code spaces. This feature provides developers instant development environments right within their browsers. No more tedious setup, it's instantaneous. Just click and you're ready to code. So what does this mean for developers? Depending on your experience level, GitHub Copilot can be a tremendous asset. For newcomers, it's like having a mentor guiding you through challenges, while seasoned developers can use it as a tool to streamline their workflow and tackle complex problems more efficiently. But let's pause for a moment here. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you're using tools like GitHub Copilot, what has your experience been like? Have you found that it actually speeds up your coding, or do you still prefer the old-fashioned way of writing everything from scratch? As we wrap up, remember that while tools like GitHub Copilot and other features are incredibly helpful, they are just that, tools. The real magic happens when developers harness their creativity and skills, blending traditional programming with the latest tech advancements. In summary, GitHub is more than just a platform for hosting code. It's a dynamic ecosystem that supports collaboration, learning, and innovation in the software development world. So keep coding, keep exploring, and always embrace the tools that help you grow. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk. Stay curious, keep learning, and I can't wait to chat with you in the next episode.